So we have just received Zepto's Christmas box, which comes with every order over 499. This one's in collaboration with Google Pay, so let's open it and tell you guys that what's inside. First up, we have this Google Pay flyer. Starting with the gifts, we have this Apsara pencil, just like the ones we used to have in childhood. Then there's a small recipe book of morning. All the morning recipes are mentioned over here in detail. We have this Delight choco chip cookie with no added sugar, powered by sugar free. Then there's this diamond puff, again a nostalgic eatery, not an eatery, eatable. Then there is this cheese biscuit from Malkist. We have these two lens wipes for all you geeky nerds. A small pasta masala from Kia. A lollipop in chocolate flavors from Smackers. And a pocket perfume as well.
This one is cute though.
This is from Ajmal Perfumes, a renowned brand. So this has to be a sample. Yes, it is a sample. A small miniature bounty. And a letter from Santa. To Santa.